What's up YouTube? Here is a unboxing video of my new watch. It's by Skagen. Let's begin. So this watch is about $190. You can get it online or at a store like Macy's or Lord & Taylor. That's what it looks like when the watch comes out. The box is pretty nice too. It goes like that, and it's like a pop-out frame. Then it has a little description. That's Skagen. And let's bring the watch out. I got my watch pre-adjusted, so I didn't have to fumble with it when I got it. Here's the face of the watch. So it focuses. It's not focusing right now. But here it says Skagen, and then this is a 24-hour. This is the day, and that's the day of the month in that circle. So let's take the watch off the pillow. Oh, this is how you do it. There we go. That's it. It's a really nice watch. It's like a, not sure how to describe it. This is all metal though, and it's that thin. Just to compare that, here's a stapler, and here is how thick the watch is. As you can see, it's pretty thin. So let me put it on real quick. And that's the watch. It's going to be on my wrist for a little bit. But yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. See ya.